Hello friends, welcome back to my channel AutoCAD Connoisseur. I am Ranjan Sharma, your AutoCAD coach and trainer, and today's video would be on a system variable called startup, which is a very high usage and which will tell you how to start a drawing with units mm or units inches. Alright friends, most of us are friends and most of my students complain, sir, we don't know how to start a drawing with units mm. What shall we do? There is a problem in AutoCAD. So my dear friends and students, there is no problem in AutoCAD or in your any of the computer, but the problem is you guys, I'm sorry to say, lack in knowledge. You people don't know how to actually start the AutoCAD with a procedure. See my dear friend, the products of Autodesk are procedure based softwares. You need to start these softwares, maybe AutoCAD, maybe Revit, maybe 3S, 3DX, Max, with a certain procedure. So without wasting any time, let me take you to the AutoCAD, and please, before starting the video, I would humbly request you to please like and share this video, give hundreds of likes, and in the comment section please tell me what kind of videos would you like to see. And again request you, please watch this video till the end if you really want to become an expert in AutoCAD. Okay, so we will go here and see. When we go to new, it asks for select a template. Upon selecting DWG, it will ask for template. Upon selecting DWG, it will select for a drawing. Now when I select architecture block, right click and I open, select. All right, so in the model tab, this templates occur, or this pre-made seal occur. Most of the people say it's an architect seal, but one thing you have noticed friends, when you type UN, your by default insertion scale units are inches. Okay, say okay. Now delete this or cancel this file. Please watch it carefully. Now I go to new again, I select generic, right click, select, open this file. Here there is another template. When I type units, again the insertion scale is inches. So what to do? Most of the people and my students ask me, sir, sometimes I open a file here, the insertion scale in the inserted units to insert scale insert command is millimeters. How to bring that? So my dear friends and my dear students, there is no problem in AutoCAD or in your computer. The problem is there is a system variable called startup. You have to make its value 1. Now watch it carefully. You may start any drawing, select, all right, come to command prompt, type RE, enter for regeneration, type startup. See, startup, please see, this is a startup. Click enter. Now here the new value of startup by default value is 0. 0 means off. As in my earlier videos you have seen, 0 means off, 1 means on, 0 means false, 1 means true. Okay, so I make it value 1, I make it on. So enter, it has the value 1 for the system variable startup has stored in this. Okay, now even if you don't save this drawing, you simply click it or simply cancel drawing, you open a new drawing, what will happen? Now see, it will, the moment you go to new, it will open a blank file. Now here, this is the most important part of this video. This window appears. It is asking for create a new drawing with units, create a new drawing, use a template or use a visit. One by one in my coming videos I will be taking up the topic user visit, user template, but in today's video I will be taking up how to start a drawing from scratch. So my dear students, my dear friends, please pay attention. This is very important. In most of the interviews you are being asked that how to start a drawing from scratch. Now in this window you carefully see there is something called default setting. So gentlemen, if I select the units metric, the imperial units, the default units will be feet and inches. But if I select metric, the default units will be of a new drawing would be mm. See what here, I select metric, use the default metric setting. When I say okay, now when the default drawing has been opened, this drawing is drawing number 5, maybe any drawing, maybe a new drawing. Now when you enter UN, you will see the insertion scale, units to scale, inserted content is millimeters. So got my point? Makes sense? Here you can, of course you can change it to architecture or to something else, to decimal, but here I have today taught you how to make the units to scale inserted in millimeters. Now if we close this drawing and you go it again to create a new drawing. Now if you select imperial feet and inches, please pay attention, and I so okay, then the drawing which has opened, this is a new drawing, this is drawing number 6, the default units would be inches. Please mark over, see. Now is it okay with you? The drawing units are now inches. Length and angle you can design it as per your own sweet will, but you now know that how to actually bring the default units or the insertion scale to inches or mm. So make sense, my dear friends? So I am here to reveal most of the AutoCAD secrets, or you can say some tools which people don't know. So that is why I say please watch my videos till the end, and so it would be very helpful to you. Now if I type startup again and if I make it 0, now nothing would happen. And if you start a video, sorry, if you start a drawing with this, again it will return to the original thing. Okay, so you must see, okay, now this has returned to its original state, but now you know if you type UN it would again show you the previous one. So it's better to give the startup value at 1, and you please, students and my dear friends, exercise this at home and become a master of it. And because you have just seen this video, you know all the secrets, you know this secret, and you can always you know, question anybody, or you know, and you can just have fun that you know that how to start a drawing with scratch. So my dear friends, my dear students, thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and share this video. Give it 100 likes or whatever you feel like, and please comment in the comment section what kind of videos you would like to see regarding AutoCAD. So thanks for watching. Thank you all.